Okay, so in this video, let's go over how to add shipping rates to GoHighLevel e-com stores. If you're selling products and you want different shipping charges for different countries, this is the exact video you need to watch. But here's what no one's telling you. GoHighLevel doesn't mess this up. You are doing it if you're setting this up wrong. Once the shipping is configured properly, your checkouts will convert better, refunds will drop, and things will finally work how you expected them to work. So let's get into that now. So let's get the shipping for your e-commerce store set up correctly. So obviously keep your receipts on. So let's go to shipping and delivery. That is on the payments tab on the settings, right? And you come here, then you just go to payments and delivery and then click on add zones. Now let's do it. So we want UK, because I'm in the UK. UK is free shipping. EU is you have to pay, and then in other outside the EU you have to pay again. So different rates for different ones. Okay, so that's pretty standard for a lot of companies. So let's pretend you have the same problem. So let's go to add zones. Let's say UK only, like this. Let's just type in United Kingdom like that and select those zones and then press add, right? Then let's go to add rates. Now let's say we want to do a flat rate of it's free in it. So UK free shipping like that. Let's name it that and then keep that at 0, which is be free, and press add. So UK has free shipping and the price is free. Let's add a zone. Let's do EU zones. Okay, so then we just go to the EU. So we just go like Spain. I won't do all of them because it'll take a lot of time. Spain is done. Let's just do France and whatever. Just do, let's see what other EUs, chuck in whatever. Germany. EU, let's just do those for now. Press add. And EU zones, let's say EU shipping. Let's say that's $4.99. Okay. And then let's do international shipping. International shipping. Then we can just do like Dubai, United Arab Emirates. You can do like whatever, Yemen, Pakistan, India, US, and press add. And then for these international guys, let's add a rate of $9.99. Sorry, mate. International shipping. So let me show you how this works now on a real example. So once you've set this, when you go to your store, let's say this is a store that I have, and let's say we go buy now. Okay, so let's say we're in the UK. So country UK, state England. So our shipping is free, right? But let's change it to Canada and let's do whatever this is. Then there you go. It'll automatically add on shipping rates. Now this shipping was a bit different to the one I did. This is a different sub account, but same principle. This one was £12 for international shipping. Okay, cool. So this was quite a short video. If you want one-on-one support with me plus all these benefits here, use the first link in the description, get 30-day free trial with Highlevel plus that one-on-one support and all the other perks there. Be sure to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much this video done.